Hey guys, it's Michael here from Lovelorn. Really quickly, just wanted to take a moment of your time to celebrate what's gone off to the printers as of yesterday. It's the Legends 2022 wall calendar. This is a little collaboration between Lovelorn and Scott Bonnar Restorations, the Facebook group. And yeah, it's turned out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. It's been a fun little project, a nice little change from the video production, video editing side of things for me. And it's been a long time since I've done any print work, so it's been a lot of fun. And you know, of course, anything visual like this, just outstanding images. So it's been a lot of fun to work with and to compile for you guys. So what is it? It's a wall calendar, 12 months, 28 pages, 12 months plus the front cover, back cover, a few extra odds and ends, and it's a fully fledged calendar. It's got you know, all the public holidays that you'd expect for the different states across the nation of ours, and a few extra little bonuses in there as well. So lots of fun, really great photos, I think, from some of the best builders out there of their best builds as well. So looking back over the last couple of years, it's a bit of a retrospective kind of thing, and yeah, these guys, you know, just the best of the best in terms of some of the builds that they turn out, and that's why I decided to call it Legends 2022 to celebrate you know, those guys who consistently produce good stuff and then return to the group to share, you know, their knowledge, their wisdom, their expertise, their experience with the rest of us. So you know, thank you to all of you guys for doing that, and thank you for submitting your photos for the calendar. I think, yeah, it's really awesome, and I'm really happy and pleased to be able to present this to you guys. Of course, it's a non-profit exercise, so everything that comes in basically pays for the cost of the calendar. If there's any minor bits and pieces of change left over, they'll go back into the channel in terms of producing more video content for all of you guys. What else? I don't know. It's been fun. Oh yeah, the pre-order is open now. So there's the first run is limited to 50 calendars. May do another run afterwards, but it just depends on demand. It depends on you guys, basically. So if you want one, you might want to get in there now. They're on sale for $24.99 at the moment. And as I say, the intention is to have them on your doorstep in your Christmas stocking in time for the end of the year, so that they're ready to hang up on the wall for the 1st of January, if not earlier. I don't know, tons of fun stuff. It's been a really fun little project, and I'm really, as I say, really pleased to share this one with you guys, and I hope you enjoy hanging it on your wall as much as I have producing it. So anyway, jump on the website if you want to. Lovelorn.com is the website URL. It's .com, not .com.au, so just be mindful of that. And it's on Facebook and all that sort of thing as well, so feel free to click on through, have a look-see. You can see all the different months if you want to take a look. And yeah, of course, you know, there's a few other products on the website as well, t-shirts and stickers, which also go back to support the channel and keep the video rolling. So lots of good fun there. And yeah, and otherwise, thanks for buying. If you're buying one, thanks to everyone who has bought one. Really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll catch you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.